Hello and welcome to this REDACT user video. We're going to do a series of these videos to explore different use cases for the REDACT search engine. One of the things that we're very proud about is our ability to offer a deep insight into future research and technology projects, present and future projects that are ongoing in different countries around the world. One way to use it is to follow up on news articles of interest. So, for example, in this case, China unveils laser drone defense system. Well, of course, this is an official news release, so the only information contained in this release is going to be information that the Chinese government is interested in distributing. Well, we can do better than that. We can start off by mining the article for an entity, such as the name of the institute. And with that information, which we'll copy and paste into REDACT, we can find out more about the projects that are being funded by the Chinese government over and above that particular laser weapon. So as you saw, I plugged the name of the institute in, hit search, up pops the Chinese Academy of Engineering Physics. And by clicking on that, it'll take you to that particular institute's homepage. Obviously, you have the basic information, name and address. A geolocation is done by Google Map. We have 24 research fields so far that have been documented for the CAEP, and those are listed here. Each one of these is hyperlinked to another page, which goes into deeper detail on any one of these broad topic areas. Now, we may or may not have that detail already in our system. So in this case, we don't have additional information. However, we can go back and click on something else, such as laser research interaction. And here we do have 5 associated topics. So we can essentially keep going deeper and deeper until we finally have explored what's currently available on the Institute of Interest and on their relative projects. Now, you may have noticed under attachments, we do have 2 attachments here. One is a 2015 demand for jobs. Demand for jobs is always a great find for a researcher because it indicates where the money has been allocated and where it's going based upon the expertise that the Institute is looking to hire. We also have a nice description here at the top which discusses in broad categories some of the things that they're working on. Now this attachment is a PDF, so you can download it if you'll see it here using the Chrome browser. You can print it, you can save it, you can download it to your desktop. And okay, let me get back to our other attachment, and that is their funding. In this case, it was quite a lengthy funding document, so we broke it down into an Excel spreadsheet so that you can get the key points, including the budget for 2014. Chinese government is funding research for CAEP in the area of lasers at 50 million yen. Now, this is an increase over the previous years. You can also see what the defined goals are for the research and specific directions. If you're interested in receiving the actual funding document, or if you have other tasks that you would like for us to follow up on and add to our database, that's what this feedback button is for. You would simply click on that, send us a question. Can I receive the funding document for CAEP for 2014? And submit the feedback. We'll receive that instantaneously. We'll task one of our researchers with your request, and 24 to 48 hours later, you'll have a response. And that's all that I have for you today on this video. We will be sending more out as we make them. Again, feel free to send us your feedback, and thank you very much.